add those things to your zobo. When you are drinking it, you know you are taking a healthy body replenisher. Like, it will replenish your body, it will clean your system, and it will give you a nice test and calm your system. That's how good it is. So please do wait to watch that video I posted on how to make the healthiest. That's the title. How to make the healthiest Zobo drink at home. Hey, despite this thing that this woman did to me, I'm still happy. I'm still having you guys here. Please don't forget to give my stream a thumbs up, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll be having updates. I drop content 2 days because I have them too much, like back to back. Do you know what I prepared today? Okra with yam, like okra yam vegetable porridge. I don't know. How do I type? What I don't even know the name to caption it. How to make yam porridge with okra and angara leaf. Guys, what do you do with okra? How do you know your okra? The last time I was pregnant, and that's the last time I'll be pregnant in my own lifetime, by the grace of Almighty. I don't want again. I have four. I have them four. So the last time I was pregnant, towards labor time, towards due date, someone said, if you want your baby to come sharp sharp, take a lot of okra water. I was like, okra. I've never heard this one before. And when you are heavy, towards the ending time, towards the due date, you'll be like, I'm tired. I really want to have this baby. I just want to do this and free myself. When I took that, I mean okra water, when I took okra water, I felt it. It helped me before the doctor did on that particular day, on the D day, before the doctors could say, you know what I mean, because of these people, so they wouldn't, you know, before they could say, the baby has already. Okra is very healthy. It's not just okra soup. You can pound okra, mm, pound it very, very well and drink. You can use okra to even eat rice. When I went to Senegal, I went to one big restaurant. Was that restaurant or a buka? I went to a big buka. Yeah. They served me jollof rice with okra. And I asked the woman, I said, Madam, in Nigeria, where we are coming from, where I'm coming from, we don't eat rice with okra. I don't understand. You just remove the head, the stem, warmed it, like let it be a little bit soft, and then put it on top of my rice. Why? I did not order rice with okra. They said, Madam, from the list, what you added, we added okra because it's part of the things on the menu. I said, okay. I ate rice, I ate okra, I ate rice, I ate okra. I ate it, but I found out that the next morning, my bowel movement was very fast, very free, and very easy. I said, oh yeah, these people, they have a good idea. Hmm. Of what this thing can do. So guys, if you can make your okra, I will drop the video tomorrow. How to cook your porridge jam with okra. You will like it. The grandmas, my grandma used to do this, and my mom also was doing it for us. So if you have the opportunity to cook your yam with okra, please don't underrate it. It's very healthy, okay? Hi, darling. If you're just joining my live stream today for the first time, please do wait to subscribe to my channel as I dish out nice content. Yes, I'm a new YouTuber. I have over 2,400 subs, getting to 2,500 subs, and I'm grateful that you all are my community. So please don't forget to help me grow better by watching my videos, liking at least liking this live stream, okay?